How to redeem hot cash online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to hottopic.com. Here, you want to sign into your account. For that, go ahead and enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, enter your password. Now, click on the sign in option. Then, if you want to get the Hot Cash, you will first have to join the Hot Topic Rewards program. If you haven't joined this, go ahead and click on the Sign Up option. Now, in order to join, you will have to enter some of your details. Start by entering your email address, then enter your phone number. Now enter your zip code. After you have entered all these information, click on the Create Account option. Once you have created your account, Hot Cash is a coupon program designed to save you money. As a Hot Topic Rewards member, you can earn a $15 off Hot Cash coupon for every $30 you spend. Hot cash can be earned with qualifying purchase. Qualifying purchases do not include taxes, shipping, vinyl records, DVD, CDs, or gift card. Hot cash will be issued to your Hot Topic Rewards account within 24 hours of your transaction. If a Hot Cash coupon is earned during the previous coupon redemption period, it will appear in your Hot Topic Reward account up to 48 hours after that redemption period ends. In order to redeem your Hot Cash in store, you want to provide the Hot Topic associate your Hot Topic reward information at the register. Let them know that you would like to use your Hot Cash. If you want to redeem it online, head over to hottopic.com, log into your account, and be sure to activate your Hot Cash by clicking on the Activate option. Once your Hot Cash is activated, proceed to checkout to apply. If you're not a member, spend your Hot Cash online by entering the promo code on the back of your Hot Cash at checkout. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.